Hey and welcome to my Hostinger tutorial video, and we will just go through quick why Hostinger should be your preferred hosting provider. If we go to Trustpilot, for example, and we type in Hostinger, we will see that it gets a rating of 4.4, which is pretty high. It's very good. Now compare this, for example, to Bluehost, that is the most heavily promoted hosting provider on the internet. You can see 2.7. It's so bad. It has a majority of its reviews in bad. So I myself use Hostinger. I love Hostinger. It's fast, it's simple, it's modern, and it's clean. So you have nothing to lose. Oh, and the pricing is also good. If you go down to the pricing, I recommend the business shared hosting plan because you can have essentially unlimited websites. You get your free email, free SSL, which is security, you have a domain, and you also get free CDN, which makes your WordPress website super fast. But if you only need a website, for example, to apply to affiliate programs and the Amazon affiliate, just go with the absolute cheapest option of 99 cents, make a website, and you are ready to roll. Now, once we are here, we click select, and this will take us to the pricing page. And I always recommend the 48 months one because you will get the absolute largest discount and you don't need to think about hosting for 4 years, which is amazing. Fill out your email address, select credit card or however you want to pay. And for some countries, you will have taxes and fees added to the final amount. Unfortunately, there is nothing to do about this. That's just how the world works. Fill out your card details and click submit to make a payment and secure your hosting. Once that's done, you will get an email from Hostinger, and by clicking on that email, it will take you to the inside of the dashboard and you will land over here. Now here you can see that you have your hosting secured for however long you sign up. I have for 2025, so I have also the 4 years plan. And you will need to claim your domain that you want to attach to your website. And a good tip, if you can't find a good domain name that's available, is to use your first and last name.com in one such string, because those are usually available, or some variation of your name. Every name can be unique. Once that's done, click manage on your hosting and scroll down to the auto installer. Here we will install WordPress by just clicking select and install it. It's that easy. And once WordPress is installed, we will go to the dashboard, and here you can see everything related to your website. Check the PHP versions and the WordPress version to see if they are updated. If they are not, you will see a button. You just click on that and it will handle the rest for you. Activate WebArcs or Patch Stack, I believe it's called nowadays, which is security. Lightspeed plugin, which is the website speed. SSL for security again, and Cloudflare for even more speed for your website. So enable all of these. These are good things. You can also go into Advanced and Cache Manager and make sure that automatic cache is enabled. And this is the last setting you need to worry about to have amazingly fast websites. Now, one last thing that you can do is to go and create an email account, and you can create as many as you want attached to your domain name. Just type what you want it to start with and it will automatically have the @yourdomain.com. And that's just how easy it is to have a custom business email address added to you. Click Edit Website on the dashboard, and this will take you to your freshly installed WordPress on your website. And once you come in, congratulations, you are officially up and running with your own WordPress website on your own domain. Now it's just up to you to start making a website. And if you are interested, I have a free 10-part course that I teach you step by step in small bite-sized chunks on how to make a great WordPress website. So make sure to jump in and grab that course with a lot of bonuses that comes with it. And with that, thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments regarding Hostinger itself, setting up Hostinger or WordPress, make sure to leave a comment below.